Language learning is not mystical, it is mechanical. It follows the same human principles every time. And how does a child learn? He listens, he tries, he makes mistakes, an authority corrects him, he repeats, and that's it. No grammar charts, no overanalysis, just correction, repetition, adjustment. And this is how you become fluent at a language, by doing this over and over. Now, here's something important. As adults, we actually have an advantage over when we were children. We have pattern recognition. We have life experience. We can connect ideas fast. If anything, cognitively, we learn faster than children. The only disadvantage we have is that we are more self-conscious. Children are not afraid of sounding stupid. They speak freely, but when it comes to adults, we hesitate. We want to sound correct before we speak, and that slows the progress. But the mechanism is identical. Listen, attempt, get corrected, repeat, and that's why step number 2 is essential. Because without correction, you cannot replicate how language is naturally acquired. When I was in Egypt, the teacher was constantly correcting us. Mid-sentence pronunciation, structure, meaning those small corrections are what accelerated my fluency. Not more lectures, not more theory, but correction. And as a matter of fact, I remember my teacher, he used to say, Muhammad al-Andalusi, he speaks better because he speaks a lot. So it was a praise, and at the same time, he was trying to throw me under the bus and telling me to please be quiet. But I remember that very well, because at one point I started to realize that, yes, I am actually more advanced than my companions in class that I was learning with. And this is why at one point I got tired of doing group class, and I used to do private class and group class at the same time to get the benefits of group class and to get the benefits of private class and go faster at my own pace. So fluency is not stored knowledge in your mind, but it is a trained reflex, and reflex develops through feedback. And this is why at Andalus Institute, after each lesson, you book a call with a trained instructor, like I showed you in step 1. Not to receive more information, but because, like I said in step 1, information is everywhere. You can get it from here in my YouTube channel. You can get it from books. You can get it from PDF, from other YouTube videos and channels. The call is not for more theory. The call is for correction. It's for testing. It's for practice. And most importantly, it's for making mistakes in a controlled environment, because mistakes are not the problem. Uncorrected mistakes are the problem.